Today, I just came back from Takim Lake Resort. But first, I went to Tagaytay, looking at the Bayani food restaurant. I ordered sisig. It's very cheap and it's delicious. Then, went to Santa Rosa, Calamba Highway, heading to Wakim Lake Resort. The road is cemented and good. No problem with any kind of car. Even a small car can come and visit the lake resort. By the way, if you haven't subscribed and like my video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Of course, before I went to the venue, I stopped over, get some photo for the the volcano lake, or the lake volcano. Then entering the Wakim Lake Resort. The admin is very nice. Her name is Padet. She has been working in this resort for 17 years. So, namarites ko na. So, I think this resort is really good. First, before it's an accommodation, but now it's open for camping, for day tour. Actually, when I went there Sunday, a lot of car and motorbike are staying for a day tour only. It's not really big, the campsite, but it's good enough for few car to stay. I was just interrupted by 1 hour rain because I haven't put on my canopy, so I got a slight problem, and my tent was wet after the rain. But the stay still good. I have a good hour sleep during the time that I stay here. So that's already the Taal volcano. I regret I only went here at this time. I was really saying to myself, bakit ngayon lang ako pumunta? Ganda pala dito sa Taal Lake. If you want to go, just look at their Facebook account and you can message Badet for reservation. So this is my setup. I have an airbed, enough for 2 person, but since I'm alone, better space. My car is with me, beside me, so less hassle of putting the camping gears, and it's not hard to assemble or unpack the gears that I needed for my camping. So this is the night setup. I have a tent like 2 to 3 person can stay. So there is moon at night. I got to be hungry at that time, so snack muna tayo. And then viewing the moon and the stars, stargazing. In the morning, early in the morning, 5 o'clock, I started to stare at the Taal Lake again with the sunrise. It's a good experience, refresh. You are breathing the air of the lake, nature, yung hangin. I enjoy staying and having my devotion at the lakeside. So of course, having a shot. So this is the place of walking. At the back are the accommodation, and the campsite is beside the lake. Coffee time beside the lake. Yun ang Taal. The crater. Not to miss, I need to prepare my breakfast. 2 eggs and corned beef. Bread. And of course, the coffee will not be missed. Alright, thank you for watching.